welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. In today's video, I am going to be doing a massive Sephora haul. But the funny thing about this massive Sephora haul is that everything I bought fit into this little itty bitty mini box, which is a little disappointing because I was ready to have this giant box come to the door because I spent a lot of money and I got this instead and everything fit in there. So before we get into opening this, if you love all things beauty and makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I post new beauty content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, I am beyond excited for this. There's a lot of stuff in this box, and it's all going to be basically in like future videos, so you guys kind of get a little sneak peek now while I'm unboxing this of what's to come. I'm so excited. Before the holidays, I had done like a massive Ulta haul and then a little mini Sephora haul, so this time I did a massive Sephora haul just to kind of get some things that have been on my radar for a while. And so yeah, let's jump right into what I got. All right, so first off, I did get a sample. I got a sample of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I don't know if any of these will work for me. I mean, it would have to be this 150, but I'm willing to check it out and see and go from there. So that's my one sample. I know there's another one in here for like a fragrance, but I don't want to dig around for it. I'm just going to kind of pull things out as I go. So the things in this box are kind of going to be broken up into two categories. The first category is I got almost everything from Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty line. I have been seeing videos and everything looks really nice. I've been hearing great things about it, so I wanted to try it out for myself. So you're going to see a lot of those items. And then the second kind of groupings you're going to see are things that TikTok made me buy that I'm really excited to take a look at. So first off, we're going to go into some of the Selena Gomez stuff. So this is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I got it in shade 180. I am probably not going to go into too much detail about these because they will be in a future video. So I'm not going to open anything. I'm just going to kind of go through and show you what I got. So this is the foundation. And then I got a blush. I like the packaging. I think the packaging is really nice and simple, clean lines, so I do like that. Then I got an eyeliner. I got a brow pencil. I got a liquid eyeshadow. This is gonna probably be a pretty short video because this is, you know, stuff for future videos, but I just thought it would be fun to unbox this in front of the camera for you guys. All right, next up I have a With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Thankful. Again, very pretty packaging. I really like this like burnt orange color. Very fall, and I think it goes along with the Thankful name. All right, I have two last things for the Rare Beauty line. So I did get a concealer. Now, what I've been doing with concealer versus like the traditional concealer route where you kind of match your skin tone or you go lighter and you use it for brightening or covering blemishes, I've been using concealer as my bronzer. I've really gotten into doing like a cream type bronzer, and I found that concealers work really well for that. So I did get a shade that would be like for bronzing. It wouldn't be the shade I would use for my actual like concealing. So I did that, and then I also have a Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in Inspire. I am definitely so excited to try all of this out in a future video. That's probably going to be coming up within the next few weeks. Just depends on my lineup of videos basically. All right, now we're gonna move on to stuff that TikTok made me buy. So the first item is the Dr. Jart Cicapair pick a pair. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to look up how to even say this. But it's basically the tiger grass color correcting treatment. I have seen this all over TikTok, and it's supposed to like take, you know, away redness and just kind of make your skin look really nice without having to wear foundation. So I think that this would be really nice for like kind of an everyday thing. I mean, I'm not going anywhere every day, so putting on a full face of makeup, it doesn't make sense, but this would be nice for like Zoom calls and things like that for work. So I'm excited to try this out. Then we have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I am so excited to try this out. This isn't just from TikTok. I mean, it definitely is on TikTok, but I had seen this before TikTok as well, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Then we have the... this one was really exciting. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes. I saw this on TikTok, and it's supposed to just like really do amazing underneath your eyes and not like settle into creases, which I have like really strong like lines under my eyes that like I think have always been there. So I'm excited to try this one. Then I have, this one is super pretty. Actually, you know what? This one wasn't really a TikTok item. Like I think I maybe saw one TikTok about like a star uses this, but I wouldn't consider it a TikTok item. So I'm actually going to hold off on showing you this one because I might actually try that on in this video. All right, the next item is from The Ordinary Hair Care. I saw this on TikTok, and I am currently working on basically like helping my thinning hair that I have like along my hairline, helping it like regrow. So this is a multi-peptide serum for hair density. It's a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller, and healthier. So I would like to check this out. I will be doing a hair video within the next couple months. I've already started the process. I've basically started doing like microneedling along my hairline, so this would be good to add into that system. So this will probably be on like a future video when I talk about like my hair care stuff. And then I have, this one was not a TikTok or anything. This was just a new thing from Benefit, and I was excited to take a look. This is the Professional Super Setter Spray. I did get the smaller one because I have so many setting sprays already that I didn't really need a big one, but I am excited to try this out. Let's actually go ahead and spray a little bit right now. I do like the Benefit Professional primer, so that's why this kind of looked exciting to me. Ooh, it does smell nice. It's just like a nice light scent. It feels really nice on the skin. It's a lightweight microfine mist, helps lock on makeup, softens the look of pores, feels weightless. Yeah. All right. Well, I mean, it felt good on my skin. So I'm excited for that, but that's not going to be really in a video. That's just kind of behind the scenes thing. All right. We've got two more samples. I thought I had got a like perfume sample, but I guess not. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment sample, which I already think I have this in the full size anyway, so I guess this would be good for travel when that can happen again. And then the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. This is a sample I got with my order, and that sounds like something that is right up my alley, so I am excited to try that out. Maybe next time I do my hair like straight, I will check that out. And then the last thing I got that is half TikTok, I don't know if this would be considered TikTok, because I actually learned about this prior, like in the beginning of me getting completely addicted to YouTube. Basically, I think I originally saw it on like a Brad Mondo video maybe, or it was like him. You know what it was? I remember it was a Brad Mondo video of him reacting to somebody who bleached their hair and like had ruined their hair, and they used Olaplex to kind of bring it back to life. So I got a bottle of the Olaplex number 3. This is the Repair and Strengthens All Hair Types. This is such a little bottle for so much money. I didn't realize. Use before shoeing. Use this before shoeing. Use this before shampooing. It's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Use 1 time a week. For damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel-dried hair, so I would wash my hair, towel dry it. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse. And then use shampoo and conditioner, their shampoo and conditioner. Obviously, I'm not going to use their shampoo and conditioner, but I am excited to see how this does for my hair. My ends have been feeling just a little tired, a little kind of frizzed out, and I'm hoping that this will help with that. So the last thing I have that I'm really excited about is my very first really fancy lipstick. This is a Gucci lipstick, and this is what the packaging looks like. And this color and this packaging, like the actual component, is just so beautiful. Oh, it just is so beautiful. I'm so excited. It just has this beautiful, like, light floral print with a gold base. The color is Mildred Rosewood. Look at how beautiful this color is. I'm gonna have to try it on. I am going to try this lipstick on. You know what I think it was? I'm gonna have to look her up because I can't remember her name. Yeah, Dakota Johnson. So the video I saw on TikTok was somebody mentioning Dakota Johnson's lipstick color, and this apparently is what she uses. And as soon as I saw the color, I knew I had to get it, because it is like the colors that I use. So I'm going to take off the lipstick I'm wearing now, which, by the way, I am in love with. I know I mentioned it in my BoxyCharm video, and I'm going to mention it again because I love it so much. This is, let me grab it so I can show you guys. This is the Juvia's Place lipstick, and this is in the shade Kebby. I love this lipstick. I also have it in a mauve moment. They're very similar colors. This lipstick goes on like a dream. It is so soft. It is beautifully matte. It's not drying whatsoever. It feels completely weightless on my lips. I love this so much. I would highly recommend this. I'm sure they sell it. I don't actually know if they sell it at Sephora. I got this from Ulta. I don't know, do they sell this at Sephora? If they don't, they should, because it's amazing. But let me take this off and we're gonna try on the Gucci lipstick. So excited. Going in. Gosh, this is gorgeous. This is like the kind of lipstick that's so pretty, I don't actually want to use it, but then that would be an awful waste of money. This is so pretty. It is very sheer. I wasn't expecting it to be quite so sheer. It feels very moisturizing. It's not, I don't think this is a matte lipstick. Where's the box? It literally says it's a sheer lip color. Like, it's not meant to be not sheer. So it is a sheer lip color. It feels really nice. It's almost like a tinted balm. Yeah, obviously it's just a sheer lip color. It's not meant to be a matte. This is a beautiful color. It looks natural. It feels really nice. I think it looks nice with this look I have going today. What do you guys think? I will have to buy more of these because they're really pretty. I do want to like see if they have like matte lipsticks as well. But this packaging is just stunning. It looks so pretty. It looks vintage. It looks like it belongs like on my vanity. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm very happy with this color. Everything on my camera always looks a little off than it does in person. It's more neutral than it looks on camera. It's almost reddish on camera, and it is just like this beautiful blush on my lips. So pretty. Alright, well, that is everything I got from my Sephora haul. I feel like gypped because I spent a lot of money and it doesn't feel like I got a lot of items, but I did get some high ticket items, so I'm not really complaining. I am really excited to do the rare beauty video coming up, and I'm really excited to do the TikTok video. So I'm going to do a TikTok video, but I'm also going to try to make some TikToks, and that terrifies me because I feel so old. I tried making a couple TikToks like way back when I first started my YouTube channel, and oh god, it was so cringy. I had to take them down because I just like I hated it, and I feel so old when I'm using their app because I just don't know like really what I'm doing, but I'm going to try. It's part of my 2021 plan to grow my channel, includes like, get on TikTok. I'm always on there anyway because I'm addicted to it, so I might as well be productive while I'm there. So I am excited to do that. I really like this lipstick. I'm really glad I got it. I will be putting more Gucci lipsticks in my cart to one day get. They are not cheap. In fact, how much was this lipstick that I'm gonna have to wear every day to make it worth it? Let's take a look. Yeah, this one lipstick was $42. But it's beautiful. I'm really happy I got it. All of the rare beauty stuff, like that was all very reasonably priced, like very reasonably priced. The most expensive thing I got was the Dr. Jart. That was $50. Oh no, just kidding. The most expensive thing I got was the Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Foundation. That was $64. Dr. Jart was $52. And then the third most expensive was the Gucci lipstick. Everything else was pretty reasonably priced. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope it gets you excited for future videos coming up. I am so glad you could join me today. And if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It would really help my channel out. It helps me to grow, helps other people see my videos. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, bye.